My name's Dakota Turner, and I'm gonna be pointing out different parts of our building. This is one of our laminated columns. We don't use solid post. We use, like this post right here is a 3-ply 2x6, which means it's 3 2x6s that are laminated, pressed, and nailed together. And if you look right here, this is what they call either a girt or a nailer. They are a fastening point for our steel panel, and it also keeps the post spacing correct. If you look down below, we have a treated 2x8, and that is our splash board. That is how we can set the depth of our concrete, the overall height of our building, and our grade is set off the bottom of that. So that board is a pretty important board throughout the process of the building. If you come over here, you'll see we have a walk door frame. It's got a stiffener on top, and that's just your basic walk door frame sitting on a 2x4 treated board. The concrete will come up to the bottom of that. That way when you step in, you're right there on the finished floor. And if you follow the truss up, you're gonna come to a purlin. Those purlins are 2x4s on edge. We run our purlins on edge and we drive a nail called a 60 down from the top into the bottom. The purlin serves several purposes. One, it sets the spacing truss to truss. Two, it gives you an attachment point for your roof panel. If you look right over here, we have an overhead door. The overhead door on top has a header. That's a 2x12 and a 2x8 header. The header allows for you to have a span and the load to be carried evenly across. So as we move outside, you can see that this building has a 1-foot overhang all the way around. When we're finished, that'll be trimmed out with soffit, and it'll be a really nice feature on this building. Also on this building, it has a 12-foot porch. The 12-foot porch attaches to the sidewall and comes off. That's a really nice touch to give you some additional space without being enclosed in. So as you can see, our porch trusses are attached to the same columns that our main building trusses are attached to. So when we run our side panels, we have to cut them out and J-channel all the way around our porch trusses. So that gives you the effect when you're standing in the porch looking at your wall, you see no seams, no cuts, just a really nice finished product trimmed out with 45s everywhere. Just a really nice finished product. What we're looking at here is what we call double X bracing. What it serves to do is to keep the building square and straight once you get it where you want it. So what we do is we set a transit in the corner, we check the top, we check the bottom. We want to read the same number. If that is reading the same number, that means your post is plumb. At that point, you come in here and you install these double X braces. They're attached to the bottom of the post, into the girts, and then back up to the top of the post. And what that does is the top of the post cannot move unless the whole wall moves, and that's very unlikely. So this is what keeps your building square and straight along with the roof system.